Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this quick video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the Xbox app not downloading games on Windows. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps out. Let's get started. First, close the Xbox app completely. Now, go down to the search bar and type in Xbox. When it shows up, right-click it and select App Settings. This will take you into the App Settings window. Now scroll down and look for the Terminate button. Click on that. This will stop any background processes. Next, move down to the Repair option and click it. Let the process run, don't close the window. Once done, go a step further by clicking Reset. You'll be prompted to confirm, so go ahead and confirm the reset. This won't delete your games, but it just resets the app settings. After that's finished, close the window and reopen the Xbox app. Now, try downloading your game again. It should work this time, and that's it. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.